Hello, my name is Meredith, and I'm here with my partner Brian. We are both Flatiron students for software engineering. This is our Mod 2 final project. We specifically learned Ruby on Rails during this phase. And we decided we wanted to go ahead and do a restaurant finder that we specifically are calling Flavor Finder, where you get to find your favorite restaurants in your favorite cities. So on our landing page right here, we use Bootstrap, which is basically a CSS framework. It just it helps make our pages look really nice relatively easily. So as we keep scrolling, we see a carousel here, which is just another Bootstrap chunk of code that is really helpful, that we can see different images, which is nice for the user. If you keep scrolling, you'll see what people are saying about Flavor Finder, which is our wonderful coaches, and we just have contact information at the bottom. Now, our landing page is great, but you can't access anything else in the app unless you have an account. So we're practicing our validations here. If you click login, it's going to say you need an email and password. Well, I think that I have an email and password. So we're just going to pretend with just my name's going to be Bob today, or Bobby. And Bobby thinks he has an account. So we're going to click login. But Bobby does not. So Bobby needs to pop on over to create account to actually make an account so you can use our app.
So right here, this is our create account page. We put nothing in, we get the validations popping up. So users can't create accounts if they're empty. So let's give Bobby an account. Put in a simple password and then create the user. Now from here, this is Bobby's profile page. He has options to go to the home, all restaurants and cities. It shows his reviews, but since it's a new account, he doesn't have any yet. And it shows the restaurants he's visited. So let's just log out and go to the account we already created and log into that one.
Now, as you can see, Brian has been here. Brian has an account with us, and he's already written a couple reviews for some restaurants, and it actually shows the exact restaurants that he's visited. So we can click one of his reviews, or we can go ahead and go, this is what his review was, best food I've ever had. But we also can write a new review for a restaurant if we would like. So we could go to all restaurants or all cities, just depending how specific we would like to be. We're just going to look at, let's just do all cities, because we can see all the cities we have available to us, which we have this really cool search bar here. And this search bar, you can type in whatever city you would like to see what restaurants the app has available to you. So as you can see, Hamilport, we can click it and we can see what restaurants Hamilport has. So if we click Hamilport, Illinois, we have those two restaurants that are available.
So on this page, yeah, it just shows the restaurants that are available to that city. So from here, we can click on either one of these restaurants. So let's just click on this one and it shows the restaurant page with the address, the type of food they serve, a description. And from here, we just leave a review on their page. So let's just say 5 and let's just say food.
And we're going to leave a review for the sugar. So we at the top will just click through and make sure we select the restaurant that we're working with. And then we can create a review.
Yep,
now,
so that's how. Oh, yep. So that's how our reviews are set up. But right now, what I want to do is go to a restaurant page where we already have a good amount of reviews set up, so you can see how the reviews look like, and see like the comments and stuff like that. So right now we have same search bar. So we can go to VOH Deli, and then it'll search for whatever I put in the search bar. And then from here, we can see the reviews on this page.
And as you can see, we have a bunch of reviews, and we really want to let's leave a comment for Paul. So Paul says, this is the best barbecue I've ever had. Maybe we don't think it's the best. We think it was fine. So we're going to say, nah, you're a liar, Brian. It's fine. And we can see Paul left his review 12 minutes ago. And when we create our comment, it's going to show that commented less than a minute ago. So we just left this comment. Now, if we wanted to go back to one of our own reviews that we have written, we can actually edit it and we can delete it. So here's a comment that a review that we've left, best food I've ever had. We can click edit because we're like, it was fine.
So
We can-
here we have the edit page. We can just type anything in the description. You can change the rating to, so let's do 10. Let's put then put update review. So right now the review is updated, and you see that it is updated through our show page. But what if we want to delete the review? So let's go to delete. And right now you see it's not there anymore.
And I feel like at this point, we're done with using the app. So we're just going to go ahead and log out and just go back to the home page. We click log out. And now we are no longer logged in. It's just back to the landing page. And now the next person can log in or create an account. So this is our project. Thank you for listening and have a good day.
Yep.